This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, let's update our current view on the gold market. Well, on the daily time frames, in fact, nothing new, so we see that market has exploded from this consolidation that stands as well as on the euro currency from the March 1st. That's candle that holds past price action in this range. Yesterday's market has exploded up and now shows the retracement back up. Well, in fact, we have discussed millions of times already that here we could meet with the two potential scenarios. The first one is this ABCD pattern that could lead market right to the 618 resistance on daily report, so 1634 area, as well as retest the previous lows. This swing from that low to this potential level is precisely the harmonic swing. It's the same distances from that low to this high. Also, you will find other swings that stands to the left in time. Earlier in time was on the daily time frame, so you could find it by yourself. But in general, that is the harmonic swing that points on the same distance, right to the around 1630, 1635 area. But as we said yesterday, another scenario that could be made here is butterfly buy. So market either could stop right here, continue to move to the downside, but I hope that this will not happen and market will show another splash up, or market will proceed a bit higher to the 1606, 1610 area that we have discussed, and in fact could turn to the downside, because by this small move up, market will accomplish the minimum target of this rectangle breakout and easily could turn to the downside and form some long and extended in time reversal pattern that butterfly is. And the most reason why I think that it could happen, because we have support on the higher time frames. In fact, on the big picture, we have the oversold on the monthly time frame and the significant target on the weekly time frame. As I said yesterday, in such situation very often happens that market shows a bit extended retracement, extended pattern, because the support stands on the really big picture on the higher time frames. But we will see. Currently we should be focused on reaching of the nearest target. And let's continue with our previous trading plan. On the 4-hour time frame, what we see? Market has retested the border that we have discussed yesterday, that's potential retracement that could happen, and we said that this is a nice opportunity to enter on the long side of the market, because minimum target, as you can see, I have measured the height of this range counted to the upside points on the 1607 approximately. Well, if you'll take distance from that low to this high, to this border, you will get 1610, slightly higher. So somewhere around 1607, 1610, that will be the minimum target of this breakout of this consolidation. And now market stands in fact at the crucial level, because if it will turn to the downside and returns right back in this consolidation, this will tell us that current move up is over, because market has returned right back in the consolidation, and at minimum we could expect the move to the opposite border. But very often this leads to the downward breakout and could lead to the double now to the downside. And that could be in fact the butterfly that we have discussed. This could be the starting point of the butterfly, if market will return right back in this range. So we can see that is in fact the invalidation point for the further development. Either market will hold there and continue to move to the upside, or if it will fail there and returns right back, that will be the miserable fail. So in this case we should be prepared to the downward acceleration. Also take a look, if we will measure these harmonic swings on the 4-hour time frames, you'll see that approximately market stands at the same area where harmonic swing points on. Okay, So that's why this level is very suitable for trying to take the long position, because your stop will be relatively tight. You need to take much risk, but your risk-reward ratio will be tremendous. Besides, if market will fail there, you could turn your position in opposite direction very soon if it will happen. Also, since market stands at significant support, as we will see a bit later, that will give you opportunity to move your stop to the break-even if market will start to show this even small retracement, even just with respect of this support, of this border. If it will give you the chance to protect your position and minimize your potential losses. So that is very nice area to watch for. On the hourly time frame, what we see, that is our retracement. That is the level I have discussed yesterday. In fact, this is the 4-hour confidence support, hourly confidence support, 1584.5, 5085 area. Its confidence support stands very close to the upper border of this consolidation. And take a look what has happened. Market has formed a reversal pattern right at the significant hourly support. That is the butterfly buy. This target at this point is not either 127 or 1618. It stands in fact between of them. But that is in general the butterfly buy pattern. Market can start act according to it. So if you take a long position, as we have discussed yesterday, now you probably should feel comfortable, since you already have the retracement that will let you to protect your position by the stop loss at the break even. Well, if you do not take a long position anyway, you could do this, because as I said, market still stand not far from this support area, and that in fact the invalidation point for the further upward development. So as I said, if market will return right back, fail there, and continue to move down, then it will be all clear for us that market probably will continue to move to the downside. Because if market will hold there, and if this will be a real reversal pattern, that will point the starting move to the upside right of the 1607, 1610 area, then probably market should start it right now, because all that current situation demands from the market has accomplished. It has retested the support, it has shown the reversal pattern right at the support. So all stuff has been done by the market, and all preparation has been done for starting of the upward continuation. So that's been said, market has achieved our level to watch for the potential long entry. So decide, will you take the long position here or not? But I think that is the last crucial area, last chance to take in the long position, because this is, as I said, in fact the invalidation point for the further upward retracement.